Alright, well I finally got my Fimi X8 in, and here it is. I just took it out of the box and charged it a little bit, just so I can do the first flight on it. So this is your gimbal protector. There you go. And here's the controller. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put it down so the back arms fold out to the front. And then, there we go. So the front arms fold in, fold from the back to the front first, and then you fold these out. So there's no sensors in here. Of course, everybody already knows that. Comes with one battery. These were pretty easy to put on, and there's a line right there on these props to go with the line here, so you know which ones to put on. So you have your optical flow sensor and your ultrasonic at the bottom, and that's pretty much it for sensors. And it has a nice little, looks like metal, heat sink down here, so hopefully it doesn't get warm. It's cold out here today, so we don't have to worry about that. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it down and get it ready. So turn it on. You got to hold it. Let's see. Not sure how to turn it on. See if the camera moves at all. Just hit one press. So maybe it's two presses. There it is, like the DJI. We'll lift it up a little because the camera's really low to the ground. There we go. Right, so here's where, there we go. Here's where your knobs are in here. Let's go ahead and screw these on. We'll turn this on while we're doing that. Maybe that's the same thing. We'll see. So one press and then a long press, same thing. So we'll go over the box, what's in the box while we wait for this to get its GPS. It's all the way screwed in. Alright, in the box, you get your charger. I had 4 propellers. It comes with a couple extra. Right here is your propellers. Here's your gimbal cover. They need to work on that and get a real one. Comes with 3 cables. So I'm using a Samsung. So I need the USB-C. Also comes with a micro USB and an iPhone. And here's your charger for the battery. Little instruction manual. It's not very helpful, so we'll just get it up in the air and see. So here is where you put the cable, but it's a little tricky. Let me see if I can get it with this. I don't have any nails. So that might be a little problem. There we go. So I'll put this in there. Plug my phone in. We'll see if the app automatically opens. We use it by default. Okay. There we go. So we're already connected. So if I click here, so this is without any updates. So let's see what version we're on. Firmware update. So this is the firmware I'm at. I'm going to go ahead and fly it and then see what firmware is new and see if this is new or not. So I just want to get it up in the air and test it out. So right now I only have 11 GPS satellites, so I'll wait a little bit and see if I can get more and then come back. Nope, let's try arming it. Taking off. Maybe I just gotta go up. Okay, so it didn't let me auto take off. So I'll just fly it around a little. I'll get it up in the air. Let you hear it and see it. Again, this is the first flight. So we'll hit record. Now I should be recording video. Turn it around. You can see the gimbal moving. Nice and smooth. I'm sure you can change the gimbal settings. So we're going to do what it's made to do, is get up in the air a little and take some video. So we'll just bring it up. Right now it's saying it's 58 feet, 59. So we'll scroll the gimbal wheel down. Looks like it's a little off center. So what I'll do here is go into settings, gimbal, can't calibrate in flight. Okay. Alright, so we'll just try that later. So right now I just want to see if the video has that bluish tint everybody was talking about. Turn it around some. We'll bring it up. Let's check that gimbal. Scrolling it down. It's pretty fast right now. That might need changed. Bring it up. It says we're almost 400 feet high. So I was looking at the wrong thing for height. Maximum altitude, which is around 400 feet. It'll let me go up probably to 400. Let's just fly it out some. I don't want to go too far. It is the first flight of it. So I wanted to get it up in the air and take it out some. So I'm going to take it out where I usually take the Anafi and see if the signal breaks up. Not sure if I want to be doing this on my first flight, but I'll do it anyway. So you can see here I am on the map. And I'm heading over towards the golf course. There's the water there. Okay, so right around here, we'll make sure I'm pointing at it. See, my phone's not, the arrow's not pointing right. I'm actually pointing at it, but the arrow's not showing right. So right around here is usually where I start to lose the signal on the Anafi. And it looks like it might do about the same. Scroll the wheel down some. So it definitely goes, let's see, a little farther than my Anafi did in these conditions. A lot farther. My Anafi would lose signal by now. But I have a lot of trees out here and interference, so it's still going. I may have lost it. Try turning, nope. I've lost it some. And again, there's a lot of trees out here. Disconnected, we'll see if it reconnects when it's coming home. And it says in-flight GPS, emergency return to home. It's set at the bottom. So it is coming home. So I'm just going to let it come home, and hopefully it's recording. I believe it is. I'm going to hit stop on the recording. Yep, it was recording. I hit it again. Now it's going. And I'll just let it come home. So while it's coming home, this is the first flight for this drone. I'm going to do a lot more videos. I'm going to do a comparison of the Anafi and this one, and also I'll probably get my friend's Hubsan ZINO and do a comparison of that. So stay tuned for more videos. And please like and subscribe, leave a message down below, and look out for the other videos that I got coming up for this drone. All right, thanks a lot.